Dear students, now we will learn how to find trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. The angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And T ratios are sin theta, cos theta, tan, cosec, sec and cot theta. We first write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each is divided by 4. And then we take a square root. This is 0. This is 1 by 2. This is 1 upon root 2. This is root 3 upon 2 and this is 1. ठीक है, 2 upon 4 that is 1 upon 2. When we take square root, 1 upon root 2. Here root 3 and square root of 4 is 2. This is cancel 1, square root of 1 is 1. To find the trigonometric ratios for cos theta for these angles, we reverse the order of these. So cos 0 degree 1, this is root 3 by 2, then 1 upon root 2, this is 1 by 2 and now 0. Now we know tan theta is equal to, this is sin theta upon cos theta. So sin upon cos 0 upon 1, that is 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2, this is 1 upon root 3. This becomes 1. This upon this we get root 3 and 1 upon 0, that is not defined, because if in the denominator we get 0, the value becomes infinite or not defined. Cosec theta, this is 1 upon sin theta. So 1 upon 0, that is not defined. So reciprocal of sin theta, this is 2, this becomes root 2, this is 2 upon root 3 and this is 1 upon 1, that is 1. For sec theta, we reverse this order. We can also write reciprocal of cos theta. This is 1 upon cos theta, or we can also reverse the order of cosec theta. So this is 1, 2 upon root 3, this is root 2, this is 2 and this is not defined. Cot theta, that is 1 upon tan theta. So we can write the values of tan theta in reverse order. So first is not defined, then root 3, then 1 upon root 3 and then 0. So this is how we can obtain values of different trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. These are some problems which can be solved by putting values of trigonometric ratios from the table. Find an acute angle theta when cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 1 minus root 3 upon 1 plus root 3. Here we divide the numerator and denominator on the left side by cos theta. Dividing numerator and denominator in LHS by cos theta. So this is cos theta upon cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta upon cos theta plus sin theta, cos upon cos and sin upon cos theta is equal to 1 minus root 3 upon 1 plus root 3. Now this becomes 1 minus sin upon cos, we know it is tan theta, upon again 1 plus tan theta. This is equal to 1 minus root 3 upon 1 plus root 3. Now we compare the two sides. This is 1 minus tan theta, here 1 minus root 3. From a table we know in front of tan theta, root 3 is the value of tan 60 degree. As tan 60 degree is equal to root 3, therefore theta is equal to 60 degree. In the next question, we have to evaluate sin square 30 degree plus sin square 45 degree, sin square 60 degree plus sin square 90 degree. From the table, we substitute the values of these trigonometric ratios. We know sin 30 is equal to 1 upon 2. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 square plus sin 45 is 1 upon root 2 square plus sin 60 is root 3 by 2. It's a square plus sin 90 is equal to 1. So this is 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 4 plus 1. Now we can take LCM. LCM is 4. So this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, thus 10 by 4 and it is 5 by 2. In the next sum, a relation is given if sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Then find the value of sin 15 degree. We know the specific angles which are given in the trigonometric table are 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 and 90 degree. So we consider sin A minus B in such a way that we get sin 15 degree. So A, if we take 60 degree and B 45 degree, difference is 15 degree. So we may take angle A as 60 degree and angle B as 45 degree. So sin 60 minus 45 is equal to sin 60 degree cos 45 degree minus cos 60 degree and sin 45 degree. Now we can replace these ratios by their corresponding values from the table. So this is sin 15 degree is equal to sin 60, that is root 3 upon 2 cos 45, 1 upon root 2 minus cos 60, this is 1 upon 2 and 1 upon root 2, or root 3 upon 2 root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2, and thus sin 15 is equal to root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Now evaluate tan square 60 degree plus 4 cos square 45 degree plus 3 sec square 30 degree plus 5 cos square 90 degree upon cosec 30 degree plus sec 60 degree minus cot square 30 degree. From the table, we substitute the values of these trigonometric ratios. Tan 60 is root 3, so its square plus 4, cos 45 is 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2 square plus 3, sec 30, that is 2 upon root 3 square plus 5 cos 90, that is equal to cosec 30, it is 2 plus sec 60, it is 2 again, minus cot 30, 1 upon, cot 30, this is root 3 square. So root 3 square, that is 3 plus 4 into 1 by root 2 square, that is 1 upon 2, where on cancellation we get 2 plus 2 by root 3 square, that is 4 by 3, 3 is cancelled, so we get 4 plus 0 upon 2 plus 2, that is 4, minus root 3 square, that is 3, and the result is 9. In the next sum, if theta is equal to 30 degree, then verify tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. So we replace theta by 30 degree, so that is tan 2 into 30 degree is equal to 2 tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30 degree. This is tan 60 degree is equal to 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 minus tan square 30. From the table we substitute the values of these ratios. Tan 60, that is root 3 is equal to 2 tan 30, 1 upon root 3, 1 upon root 3 upon 1 minus 1 upon root 3 square. Root 3 is equal to, this is 2 upon root 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 upon root 3 upon, solving 1 minus 1 upon 3, we get 2 by 3. It thus implies root 3 is equal to 2 upon root 3 multiplied by 3 by 2, and that is root 3. So root 3 is equal to root 3, hence verified.